Hey, this is Chase, and we are now at Yellowstone National Park. This is the Shoshone Geyser Basin, and right now it's 9 a.m. Mountain Time Zone, and we are cooking our breakfast. So this is the only geyser area you can access by like hiking. And as you can see, basically we are the only human beings here. We own this place, and we are just waiting for some random eruptions here. And for more information and more photos, articles about this epic adventures, please follow my Weibo account and Lofter account. Thanks.